So what's up, you guys? This is gonna be a real quick tutorial on I guess like how I preserve my braids and like get rid of those like annoying flyaways. So what I'll do is like I'll take some GOt2B Gel, and I've been wearing this hairstyle for about a week now, and I've been doing this every morning. I know it's bad because like the gel will like build up and stuff like that, but when I take a shower, like the gel residue will like wash away. You don't really have to worry too much about the gel building up and whatnot, because a little bit of water does get in my hair. It does wash out a little bit, but I'll just take some of that gel and I'll just put it on my braids and lay my front edges, and then like I'll put on a do-rag, pretty much just wait as long as I have to until I need to take it off, and then I'll just take it off, and there you go. And it just gives the braids like this nice shiny appearance, keeps the braids from looking all frizzy and whatnot, and it just like slicks it down and just makes it look all shiny and neat and nice, to me that is. So yeah, hope you guys try this out, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.